What do you do when a woman looks over at you? Let's say that you're out and about, maybe you're at the bars or whatever, and a woman is giving you the eyes. What are you supposed to do? What's your next move, right? And you know what? It's not what you think it is, because all of these cheesy pickup artists on the internet, they've got it all wrong if you ask me. All of this, hey, 3 second rule, and you better go walk up and approach her, and make sure that you don't break eye contact first. It's all bullshit. It's all fucking mumbo jumbo. Let me tell you exactly what you should do if a woman looks over at you when you're out and about, coming from a guy that's had crazy success with dating and knows exactly what to do. So, what happens? You're out and about, you're with your guys, you're at the bar, maybe you're in a social setting. You see a girl that is attractive and she looks over at you, you guys lock eyes. What's the next move? Well, this is exactly what you should do. So I do agree that you do want to maintain eye contact with her for a little bit longer than what you might feel comfortable with. Now, it's a common misconception that you need to be the one to hold the eye contact until she looks away so that, she feels your masculine dominance and your alpha frame. That's fucking bullshit, dude. All you gotta do is when she looks at you and you look at her, you gotta maintain a little bit of eye contact that might be a little bit longer than the both of you might be comfortable with, but it's okay if you're the person that looks away. And what you should probably do right after that is just go right back into whatever you were doing. Get right back into talking with your friends. And what I recommend is become a little bit extra expressive and become a little bit extra emotive for the next, maybe 1, 2 to 5 minutes. So that means like, being a little bit more engaging with your friends and using your hands when you talk a little bit more, just so that you can put out good energy and just put out a charismatic vibe. Because it's really important after the two of you have made eye contact for the first time that you do this the way that I'm doing it right now. So what you do next is you kind of look for that eye contact again. So what you want to do is you want to try to get a second round. All right, so now it's going to be reconfirmation. Okay, because anybody can fucking lock eyes with somebody on accident for one time. And if you're a fucking jackass at just approaching every girl that you make eye contact with, good luck, buddy. You're now in fucking Chump University. Like, welcome to the graduation. That's lame as fuck. So what you want to do is you want to look for a second round of eye contact. And if I get a second round of eye contact, I might just do a little one of these. Okay, I might just do a little hi. Or if I have a cup, I might just kind of give her like a little bit of a cheers. And then I wait to see if she acknowledges me. Maybe she does one of, a couple of different things. One, maybe she kind of shyly, awkwardly looks away. Okay, that's fine. Maybe the second thing that she does is, oh, hi, she does it back. And then, or if it's cheers, maybe she goes cheers. And then the third thing that is actually the most interesting, if you're a guy with game and you understand how this shit works, she might even go like this, like, what? Who, me? Like, are you talking to me? And I'll be like, yeah, like, fucking hi. Okay, that's a really good sign. If you can get that one is really good. But okay, so now you guys have locked eye contact, you've done the cheers. Now what you want to do, go back, break it off again, man. Go back to your buddies, go back to your friends, and then you're going to go for round 3. But this time on round 3, you're going to go for the kill. And not in the way that all these stupid, cheesy, gamey, lame guys on the internet that they don't get women, they're trying to tell you what to do. Do this. Okay, on the 3rd round, now when you see her again, you say, come here. Yep, that's right. Come over here. Now you're going to gain some compliance, right? Because this is the 3rd time you've made eye contact. Now it's come over here. Come right here. Right here. Come on. And you can get, if now you're sticking with it, right? Now I'm not breaking eye contact. I'm not looking away. We've talked once. We've acknowledged one another. Now it's, come on over here. Come on. Yeah, I know that you want to. You see what I'm saying? It's playful now. And then if you can get her to come across to the bar to you, fucking hook, line, and sinker. Now it's simple. Just like, what's up? Hey, what's your name? I'm Brian. Then you just chat her up. You from around, are you from town? Or are you out here just visiting? And you get to know her a little bit. You say, yeah, these are my friends, some of my buddies from, hey, John, meet, what was your name? Oh, Lacey? Okay, Lacey, yeah, what's up? I'm Brian. Hey, John, this is Lacey. We just became best friends. That's what you want to do if you catch eye contact, man. It keeps you fucking powerful. It keeps you high value. And it keeps you from chasing. Because that's what you don't want to be doing, man. You don't want to chase girls around a bar and, 3 second rule, we made eye contact, ready, set, go. And then you get over there and you're like, are we going to play eye contact all night or are we going to get to a note? Bro, you're fucking gay. All right? So just listen to what I'm saying. Follow my YouTube channel. come to me for any of your dating advice, come to me for your social circle advice. And if you want me to build out a high quality social circle completely done for you from scratch, I will set up your Instagram. I'll run Instagram ads. I will host exclusive parties and events with you. I'll get us a free DJ. I'll get us a free photographer. I will make you the man in demand so that you can begin to get the women and friends that you actually deserve. And then you don't have to use these techniques that these other guys on the internet are pushing that is beneath the man that you've actually become. Stay tuned for the next video. Hit that fucking subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.